Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that intrigues many, the industries that have the power to turn individuals into billionaires. From tech moguls to innovators in various sectors, the journey to becoming a billionaire often begins within a specific industry. So without further ado, let's explore the top 10 industries that pave the way for billionaires to thrive. Number 1. Technology. Certainly, expanding further on the technology sector, the tech industry has served as a breeding ground for billionaires due to its rapid evolution and disruptive nature. With the advent of groundbreaking technologies, the possibilities seem boundless. Take artificial intelligence, AI, for instance. Its applications across various sectors, from healthcare to finance, have revolutionized industries, propelling individuals into the billionaire stratosphere. Pioneering minds such as Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg have utilized AI to transform their ventures, capitalizing on its potential. Cloud computing, another game-changing innovation, has reshaped how businesses operate and store data. The scalability and accessibility it offers have been instrumental in fostering new billionaire entrepreneurs. Companies like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, Azure, and Google Cloud have not only redefined technology, but also minted billionaires in the process. Moreover, social media platforms have not just connected people worldwide, but have also created billionaires. The likes of Jack Dorsey and the late Steve Jobs built empires on the foundation of social connectivity, altering how we communicate and share information. The sheer scale of innovation within the tech sector continues to be a breeding ground for wealth and success, constantly inviting new visionaries to make their mark and join the league of tech billionaires. Number 2. Entertainment and media. The landscape of entertainment and media has not only shaped cultural experiences, but also become a playground for billionaires to thrive. Film, music, and television have historically been the core elements of this industry. Visionaries like George Lucas, Steven Spielberg, and Oprah Winfrey have used their creative genius to establish empires, amassing substantial wealth while shaping popular culture. However, the advent of new media platforms in recent years has revolutionized how content is produced, distributed, and consumed. Streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney have disrupted traditional entertainment models, providing direct access to audiences worldwide. This shift has been a game changer, birthing a new generation of billionaires such as Reed Hastings and Jeff Bezos, who recognized the potential of this evolving landscape. Moreover, the fusion of technology with entertainment seen in virtual reality VR experiences and augmented reality AR applications has also attracted innovative minds. These immersive technologies have the potential to redefine how we engage with entertainment, thus creating opportunities for new billionaires in the making. The evolving entertainment and media industry not only reflects societal changes, but also continuously offers opportunities for savvy entrepreneurs and creatives to join the ranks of billionaires by adapting to and shaping the ever-changing landscape. Number 3. Retail. The retail industry, spanning both online and offline realms, has been a gateway for numerous billionaires who have redefined the consumer experience. E-commerce behemoths like Amazon, founded by Jeff Bezos, have fundamentally altered how people shop, browse, and purchase goods. Bezos's vision transformed the landscape, leveraging technology to streamline transactions and logistics, ultimately leading to his billionaire status and reshaping the entire retail sector. Simultaneously, offline retail, though facing challenges, has seen visionary entrepreneurs like Amancio Ortega, the founder of Inditex, Zara, create a global empire through a different approach. Ortega's emphasis on fast fashion and agile supply chains revolutionized the traditional brick-and-mortar retail model, contributing to his billionaire status. The amalgamation of online and offline retail through omni-channel approaches has opened up new possibilities, propelling individuals like the Walton family, founders of Walmart, to the billionaire elite by mastering both physical stores and e-commerce. Furthermore, the rise of direct-to-consumer (DTC) brands, leveraging social media and data analytics, has given rise to a new breed of retail billionaires showcasing the potential for disruptive growth, even in a highly competitive market. The retail industry, continually evolving with technological innovations and changing consumer behaviors, continues to present opportunities for entrepreneurs to reimagine how we shop and amass substantial wealth in the process. Number 4. Fashion and luxury goods. The fashion and luxury goods industry serves as a playground for visionary creatives and savvy business minds. where the marriage of artistry and commerce has created several billionaires. Notably, names like Bernard Arnault of LVMH and Amancio Ortega of Inditex have established global empires within this sector. These billionaires didn't just sell products, they crafted aspirational lifestyles and built iconic brands. Arnault, through LVMH, conglomerated prestigious fashion houses like Louis Vuitton, Dior, and Givenchy, leveraging their heritage to shape a luxury empire. Simultaneously, the rise of innovative brands such as Nike, led by Phil Knight, and the evolution of streetwear with figures like Virgil Abloh and his Off-White brand showcases how new narratives and styles redefine luxury, creating a new class of billionaires. Moreover, the convergence of fashion and technology has sparked new opportunities. E-commerce platforms, social media influencers, and the utilization of data analytics to understand consumer behavior have opened doors for new entrants, creating avenues for innovative business models and attracting fresh billionaires in the fashion world. The fashion and luxury goods industry, constantly evolving with changing consumer preferences and technology, continues to offer fertile ground for those who can blend creativity with business acumen, setting trends and carving their paths to becoming billionaires. Number 5. Gaming and esports. The gaming and esports industry has seen a meteoric rise, not only in popularity but also in creating a platform for billionaires to emerge. The exponential growth of this sector is propelled by the convergence of entertainment, technology, and competitive gameplay. Visionaries such as Gabe Newell, co-founder of Valve Corporation, have transformed the landscape with groundbreaking games, like Half-Life and the distribution platform Steam, propelling him to billionaire status. Similarly, figures like Tim Sweeney, the mastermind behind Epic Games and Fortnite, have solidified their positions as billionaires by capitalizing on the ever-evolving gaming market. Esports, once a niche interest, has now become a global phenomenon, drawing massive audiences and substantial investments. Personalities like Johan Enotail Sundstein, who rose to fame in the competitive world of Dota 2, and leaders like Peter Guber, a co-owner of Team Liquid, have tapped into the competitive gaming arena, leveraging its growing popularity to amass wealth. The industry's evolution toward mobile gaming, virtual reality experiences, and the convergence of gaming with other sectors like education and fitness has opened new avenues for visionary entrepreneurs, creating potential for new billionaires within the gaming and esports domain. As technology continues to advance and gaming becomes more intertwined with mainstream culture, the opportunities for financial success and innovation within this sector are boundless. Number 6. Education and EdTech. The fusion of education and technology, commonly known as EdTech, has emerged as a transformative force, offering an avenue for entrepreneurs to not only revolutionize learning but also ascend to billionaire status. This sector, at the intersection of education and innovation, has witnessed visionary individuals harnessing technology to reshape how knowledge is acquired and disseminated. Figures like Salman Khan, the founder of Khan Academy, and Arne Duncan and John Doerr, who invested in education technology, like Remind and Duolingo, respectively, have redefined traditional learning methods. Their contributions have not only democratized education, but have also paved the way for novel ways of approaching knowledge transfer. Furthermore, online learning platforms such as Coursera and Udemy have become instrumental in expanding access to quality education. The co-founders of Coursera, Daphne Koller and Andrew Ng, have championed this shift, attracting widespread adoption and achieving significant financial success in the process. The integration of adaptive learning tools, virtual classrooms, and personalized learning experiences has attracted substantial investment and entrepreneurship. Innovators who recognize the potential to transform traditional educational systems through technology are poised to join the league of billionaires, marking a pivotal phase in the evolution of education and EdTech. As the demand for accessible and effective learning methods continues to grow, the landscape for billionaire entrepreneurs in this sector expands exponentially. Number 7. Travel and hospitality. The travel and hospitality sector has long been a fertile ground for entrepreneurs to attain billionaire status, marked by the vision to reshape how people experience leisure, exploration, and comfort. The industry encompasses a spectrum of ventures, from airlines and hotels to tourism-related businesses, all contributing to the success of entrepreneurial leaders. Pioneers such as Richard Branson, the founder of the Virgin Group, recognized the potential in providing innovative and customer-centric services, in the airline industry, contributing significantly to his billionaire status. Likewise, hotel moguls like the Marriott family, Hilton, and the Ritz-Carlton have built empires around hospitality, offering premium experiences that propelled them into the billionaire league. The evolution of online travel agencies like Booking.com and Expedia, led by figures such as Glenn Fogel and Barry Diller, altered the landscape by revolutionizing how people book travel, providing convenient platforms for global exploration and accommodation, leading to considerable financial success. Moreover, disruptive technologies like Airbnb, founded by Brian Chesky, have redefined accommodation services, offering unique experiences and challenging traditional hospitality models, thereby creating new pathways to billionaire status within the travel and tourism domain. As the industry continues to adapt to changing consumer behaviors and preferences, entrepreneurs who identify opportunities for innovation and exceptional customer experiences are well positioned to navigate the dynamic travel and hospitality sector and join the exclusive ranks of billionaires shaping the future of travel experiences. Number 8. Fitness and wellness. The focus on health and wellness has significantly expanded, resulting in a booming industry that has paved the way for individuals to achieve billionaire status. Entrepreneurs in the fitness and wellness sectors have seized upon the increasing global emphasis on personal health, self-care, and overall well-being, resulting in substantial financial success. Notable figures like Joe Weider, the co-founder of the International Federation of Bodybuilding and Fitness and the creator of Shape and Men's Fitness magazines, recognized the growing interest in fitness, leveraging it to create an empire that contributed to his billionaire status. Furthermore, modern fitness entrepreneurs like Peloton's John Foley and Tracy Anderson have tapped into the convergence of technology and fitness, offering innovative solutions for home workouts and personalized training programs, achieving considerable success and impacting the way individuals approach fitness. The wellness industry, spanning from spas to mindfulness apps, has also attracted entrepreneurs like Deepak Chopra and Calm app co-founder Michael Acton Smith, who recognized the growing demand for mental and emotional well-being solutions, contributing to their financial success. As the pursuit of a healthy lifestyle becomes increasingly integral to people's lives, entrepreneurs who innovate and cater to this growing demand are poised to attain billionaire status by addressing the evolving needs and desires of health-conscious consumers. The ongoing potential for disruption and evolution in the fitness and wellness sectors offers abundant opportunities for visionary individuals to make a significant impact while amassing substantial wealth. Number 9. Healthcare and pharmaceuticals. The healthcare and pharmaceutical industries have been pivotal in not only advancing medical breakthroughs, but also in creating avenues for individuals to achieve billionaire status. The relentless pursuit of life-saving drugs, innovative therapies, and groundbreaking medical technologies has opened the door for visionary entrepreneurs to make profound impacts while accumulating vast wealth. The pharmaceutical realm has seen figures like Leonard Schleifer, the CEO of Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, who played a crucial role in developing breakthrough drugs, securing his position among billionaires. Similarly, entrepreneurs like Patrick Soon-Shiong, through ventures like Abraxas Bioscience and Nantworks, have propelled medical advancements, particularly in cancer treatments, contributing to his billionaire status. Moreover, the convergence of technology with healthcare, as seen in companies like Moderna with its mRNA technology, has revolutionized vaccine development, and its founders, such as Stéphane Bancel, have been instrumental in driving these transformative changes while achieving significant financial success. Furthermore, the rise of biotech firms focused on genetic research and precision medicine, along with the increasing emphasis on telemedicine and digital health solutions, has paved the way for new entrants in the healthcare industry to revolutionize the way we approach health and well-being, offering immense potential for future billionaires. As the healthcare sector continues to evolve with cutting-edge innovations and heightened demand for life-altering medical solutions, the opportunity for entrepreneurs to contribute to this sector's advancement and attain billionaire status remains ripe, marking a crucial phase in the progress of healthcare and pharmaceutical industries. Number 10. Telecommunications. The telecommunications industry, pivotal in shaping global connectivity and technological progress, has acted as a breeding ground for billionaire entrepreneurs. This sector, responsible for the infrastructure that enables communication, has been a fertile ground for visionaries to transform the way the world connects. Figures like Masayoshi Son, the founder of SoftBank, have played a significant role in this industry's evolution. His vision for technological innovation and investment in companies like Sprint and Arm Holdings propelled him to billionaire status. Moreover, the evolution of mobile technology has been a catalyst for entrepreneurship. Individuals like John Coombe and Brian Acton, the co-founders of WhatsApp, recognized the potential of mobile messaging disrupting the communication landscape and eventually becoming billionaires after the company's acquisition by Facebook. The ongoing development of 5G technology and the expansion of high-speed internet infrastructure have created opportunities for individuals to pioneer in this sector. Entrepreneurs who focus on building networks, enhancing data transmission, and revolutionizing connectivity are well-positioned to shape the industry and achieve billionaire status. As the demand for seamless, faster, and more reliable communication continues to surge, the telecommunications industry remains a hotbed for entrepreneurial innovation, allowing for the emergence of new billionaires shaping the future of global connectivity. These 10 industries have proven to be fertile ground for individuals to achieve the coveted billionaire status. From groundbreaking innovations to astute business acumen, the possibilities within these sectors continue to inspire aspiring entrepreneurs worldwide. Remember, while these industries have the potential to create billionaires, the journey to success requires dedication, innovation, and, most importantly, a vision that can change the world.